At Reduxo, we help you reduce costs and take control of your physical assets with data you can trust. Since 2013, we've delivered thousands of physical asset audits across Australia, New Zealand, and with partners across Asia. We work across aged care, healthcare, education, data centers, councils, and more, where accurate asset data is critical. Our experienced team visits your sites, scanning and tagging assets. No guesswork, just fast, consistent, high-quality data capture. We audit everything from electrical, mechanical and IT hardware, to plant equipment and building fabric, tailored to your systems and your goals. Our process is well documented and proven, refined over time to deliver reliable data with minimal disruption. You'll receive structured, accurate data in the format you need, ready to upload into your asset, finance or maintenance systems. And because we don't sell software or maintenance, our only focus is on delivering clean, independent asset data you can trust. Whether you need a one-off audit or a rolling service to keep your register up to date, Reduxo is here to help.